Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm going to show you a little haul I got. Small Amazon haul of another gadget that y'all know I needed. Okay, I bought the Presto Showtime Gourmet Oil Popper. Looks like that. Y'all know I love the Presto brand. Okay, of course I've already opened it because this was in a brown Amazon box. It was boxed up nicely. So this is what the thing looks like. Let me see how to do this. Okay. Oh. Okay. I used to have an air popper. That popcorn tastes like trash. I like mine to have a nice buttery, salty taste. The air popcorn. Ew. But this is the way it looks put together. And I like how the cord, it wraps around the base and it's stored up in here. See that? And it has a polarized plug. One prong is wider than the other. So this is just first. This is just looking at it for the first time. I'm not going to demo it right now. I'll do it in another video. But what you do is you put your popcorn seeds in here. Your oil. Put your oil in there and your popcorn seeds. It tells you how much. And before you pop your popcorn, you take this yellow lid off. And you see it has vents at the top. So while you're popping this, it will let the moisture out. So they don't want you putting this in the microwave. They don't want you putting this in the dishwasher. They say hand wash only. Of course, you're not going to put this in no dishwasher. After you get through popping, just take a damp cloth or a paper towel or something and wipe this out. So after your popcorn is through popping, you flip it. Unplug it, flip it, and then your popcorn will, of course, you put the top back on it. Okay, before you flip it. Flip it and you can use it as a serving bowl. The popcorn is in here. And I forgot to tell you that it has an indicator light right here. Okay. So it's called the Presto Showtime Gourmet Popper. And I'm going to show you what else I got to go with it. I'll be using this soon because I love popcorn. You know, movie theater popcorn? I love it. And I have another popper. It's bigger than this. And it got the little thing that goes around. That's big. So I wanted something newer, something smaller. Okay, I had ordered. What did I order? I had ordered the flavor cow. That's popcorn salt. I had ordered the butter flavored coconut oil. And I had ordered the Orville Redenbacher popcorn. It was in a set. And it came with these popcorn bags, which I really don't care about these, but I'll use them. But anyway, Amazon told me my stuff was delivered. I'm looking and looking. Then I look good at the picture that they sent. It wasn't my porch it was on. The box was not on my porch. It was on somebody else's porch. So I called them up. You know, I'll call them up in a minute. I got a problem with them. Because I order a lot from Amazon, so they ought to do me right. But anyway, they told me, ma'am, there's nothing we can do until 24 hours. What you mean, ain't nothing you can do? You can send me this right back out. But anyway, to make a long story longer, I got on the phone with them, and they said, okay, ma'am, we'll refund your money. So, since I didn't have what I wanted, this is what I really wanted. I had ordered some more buttery coconut oil. It's another one. So it came the next day. Okay? And then later on that night, one of my neighbors up the street from somewhere, he brought what I had originally ordered. So, yeah, I'm going to keep it. I ain't studying Amazon. But anyway, I'll soon be popping some popcorn. And I used to pop popcorn for my grandkids when they were little. I used to use the yellow coconut oil and the flavor cow. They loved it. And it tasted just like the popcorn you get at the movies. So, that's the flavor I'm looking for again. So, that's the extent of my little haul. And what am I hold up? Hold this up. I think it's cute. They got a blue one. Presto has a smaller one than this, and I think it's like an aqua color, but you don't use air. You don't use oil in it. You just use, it pops by air. It's a little smaller than this, but I like to use my oil and the salt. So, alright. I want to thank you for watching this little haul. And you'll soon see me using this. Making popcorn. It's a good snack. Because like I said, we snacks around here. Okay. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay. Bye.